In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix login error on Doordash on an iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the login error that you might be getting when trying to sign into the Doordash app on your iPhone and possible fixes for this issue. Now, before I even start talking about possible solutions for this issue, I do want to make a quick disclaimer and say that sometimes what might be happening is that they are trying to do maintenance or their servers are down. And if that is the case, if DoorDash's servers are down, unfortunately, there is nothing that you can do manually on your end. Sometimes, if they are performing maintenance or their servers are down for whatever reason, you will just unfortunately have to wait until they come back up. The best course of action here before you even try troubleshooting this is to maybe talk to some friends or search on Google to see if DoorDash's servers are down. And like I said, if they are down, just wait until they come back up. Unfortunately, you will not be able to fix this on your own. Besides this option, if you know for sure that DoorDash should be working, maybe by talking to a friend or contacts of yours and they say that their app is alright, the first thing that you should try to do is uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. If you have access to a stable internet connection, just uninstall it completely from the storage on your iOS device and download it back again from the App Store. It seems basic, but re-downloading the app will give you the option to sign in again, and this time it is going to be less cluttered and you will probably get in without any issues. Besides doing this, sometimes your email address or password might just be incorrect, so double check everything, and if needed, I highly recommend that you go over in the option "Forgot your password." This will allow you to double check to see if your email is still attached to your account, and if necessary, redo your password. A lot of users have reported that sometimes their emails just get blocked off and they either have to go through this manual process of recovering their passwords or, in most cases, talking to their customer support. If you know for sure that the servers are up, they aren't under maintenance, you double check your email, password, everything should be correct, the best course of action is to talk to their customer support, because sometimes your account will get blocked and there isn't anything that you can do manually on your end. So keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix login error DoorDash iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.